This will quickly show how to make labels in a program that's quite easier than how we've been doing it. You would go to your Office, Applications Office, G-Labels Designer. So it was this one. Once here, you would click New, and at this point you would choose your label. And then you would press OK. At this point, you would have to grab the file that you want to make the labels from. In this case, we usually use this, but I'm going to use this. And just grab the file. I'll select everything, and here are my fields in this file. And now, if I wanted to say put an image in this file, in this label, I would just do that. And then you can do what you typically can do with images. Then your next step to get the actual name and everything in there is to let's see if there's a shortcut here. Click on the text icon and put in your text. Now the thing with this box is it starts off with the word text, which we don't want, but we want to find one of our merged fields. We'll say full name, and then the next line we want home address. Sorry. And then the next line we want work address. And it will automatically remove home address if it's not there and bump the line up, so there's no worries about that. We'll bring the font down a few because it will stretch too far. It does have the option, if you want a larger font, to automatically shrink text, so when it comes up to a label that's too long, it will shrink it down to fit. That is it. Save your file before you print it. And you're ready to print. And when printing the file, you have this option here to choose, none or some. And then you could do some test printings. Choose your printer. In this case, I'm going to put it to a PDF just for a moment. And now you're set. And that's your mail merge. There wasn't much information here, just because the test file didn't have more than a name. But basically, obviously you would have seen more. So that's all. It will take care of that missing field, and I think it's a better interface overall to get those labels done.